Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at my favorite store, guys. I'm back at Dollar General. So we're going to do a couple deals. Not sure how they're going to come out because I'm just having really a hard time with this signal. Even though they put me on their Wi-Fi, it's just been crazy. So I'm going to try a couple things. Hopefully they work, and hopefully the glitches work, and we have some good deals. So get your Ibotta app out. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, I'll put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. Get your DG app out, and let's get ready to say. Okay, so the first deal we're going to do is going to be a bunch of household things. And as you can see, I'm in the cleaning aisle, and a lot of the cleaning products are attached. To the back to school deal. Spend 15, get $3 off. So I'm going to try to combine that and see what happens. So I'm going to get one of these chloralins, or this Penolin, and they are $2.75. But there's a digital coupon that says buy 2 get 1 free, and you can mix and match that with the chloralin. So I'm going to grab one of these, okay, and I'm going to show you what that digital coupon looks like. So see, guys, I want to show you, this is what I'm saying about I'm having problems with my store. So you see I scanned this, right? And it says that it's out of stock. But as you can see, I put one in my cart and there's one down there. So because it says it's out of stock, the coupon is not going to come up on it. So let me scan the other products I'm going to get. So I'm going to get 2 of these chloralins. Now let me scan these so I can show you the coupon that you're going to be looking for. Okay. So that is the coupon that you're looking for. Buy 2, get 1 free, the digital coupon. And when you click on that, it shows you right there that Penolin, whatever, I keep getting them mixed up, does qualify. All right. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and those are $2.50. So when I get to the register, I'm going to have to pay for the most expensive ones. So I'm going to pay. The 2 I'm going to have to pay for is this one, which is $2.75, and one of the $2.50, and then I'll get the other $2.50 for free. Now, the other product we're going to grab is one of the pine saws, and my store says that they're $3.50, but they're not. They are $4, and you want to make sure that you get the 40 ounce or larger, because we have a coupon that I printed off of the Pine Saw website. You just go to pinesaw.com and you can print this coupon for $1 off. And as you can see, it says 40 ounce or larger. But the other reason why we want to do 40 ounce or larger is because Ibotta has $1 rebate when you get 40 ounce or larger. So I'm going to grab one of these. Now, your store might have the green or the yellow or the brown. You can get all of that. And actually, the brown ones qualify because those are 40 ounces. Whereas the colored ones are 48 ounces. So totally up to you. And there is a 50-cent digital that you can use if you want to use that and you didn't want to print any coupons. But I'd rather get $1 off than 50 cents off. So we're going to go add something else to this because we definitely want to get our total to $15. So that we can get the 3 off 15 school supply. Okay. So now the other thing that we're going to add on is going to be these Bounty, excuse me, I wish it was Bounty, these sparkle paper towels. You make sure you get the 6 equals 12 because we have an Ibotta rebate and we have coupons for that, and they only work on the 6 equals 12. So you're going to go to sparkletowels.com and print off these $1.50 coupons. And let me tell you guys, so I printed these coupons last week. They sent me a survey And I did the survey and they sent me more coupons, and then they sent me another coupon before that. So they keep sending coupons. So I just keep buying these, and my rebate in Ibotta just keeps resetting. So my shelf says they're $6.50, but they're really $6.95. We're going to use this $1.50 off coupon, and we're going to submit to Ibotta, and we're going to get $2 back from Ibotta. So let's throw this in the cart. So let's head up to the register, and this is what our first transaction is going to look like. We're going to get the Scott paper towels. We're going to get the 2 Chloralin, the 1 Penolin, and then the 1 thing of Pine Sol. So let's head up and let's see what happens. Okay, guys, so let's go over the receipt from our first transaction. So here you see the Sparkle paper towels for $6.95. Then the Chloralin for $2.50. The second Chloralin for $2.50, and that's the first. They gave me the first one free because remember we had the coupon, buy 2 get 1 free. Then the Penolin was $2.75, and then the Pine Sol was $4. So those are the coupons that came off: the $1.50 for the Sparkle, the $1 for the Pine Sol, and the $3 off 15 back to school. So there you see my total was $10.70 because we do not discuss tax. And there you see I had a total savings of $8. $2.50 in manufacturer coupons, the $3 off 15 back to school, and then the $2.50 for the Penolin. So my total was $10.70, but I got a total of $3 back from Ibotta, $2 for the paper towels, and $1 back for the Pine Sol. So then that means that this was a total of $7.70 out of pocket, which is pretty good for 3 things of cleaner, a Pine Sol, and a thing of paper towels. So you can say, like, I paid for the paper towels and got everything else for free. So let's head on in and do our second transaction. Okay, guys, so we're here at Dollar General. We're going to grab some vitamins first. We're going to get these 2 things of Nature's Bounty Jelly Bean vitamins. They're priced at $6. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate. When you buy 2, you get $7.50 back. So we're going to go ahead and grab these, and of course, you know, we want to get our total to $15. So we're going to grab one of these Azo cranberry urinary tract healths. Now some people may still have their $5 coupon, that was digital coupon that was in the app. I no longer have mine. I use mine, but I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. Excuse me, not Ibotta. I'm so used to saying Ibotta. I'm going to submit my receipt to coupons.com because there's a $5 coupon on there. So I'm going to take these. These are $3.45. So this is what our transaction is going to look like. So our grand total is going to be $12.45. We're going to use our $3 off 15. If you don't have that, then that's okay. The link is in the description box. You can just click on the link and add it to your account. And remember, it does expire at the end of this month. So let's head up to the register. Okay, so here is the receipt for the second transaction. There is the Azo for $3.45. Now, I used the wrong account, so a coupon did come off for it, but I didn't think I had any more Azo coupons at all. And this coupon, it didn't take $5 off. It only took $3.45 off, so I don't know. I'm just confused, but it doesn't matter because it still makes a good transaction. There you see the 2 vitamins, and then you see that's where the $2.70 came off for the Azo, so it wasn't free. But I'm still going to submit my receipt to coupons.com, and I'm sure they're going to give me the $5 back. So that's going to end up making this a moneymaker. Every time I submit a coupon to coupons.com from Dollar General, even though I use the manufacturer coupon, they approve it. So I'm absolutely fine with that. You see the $3 off that I got. That's the $3 off 15. So I paid $9.67 at the register. And see on the bottom, you see there's $3 savings, and then the $2.78 they call the manufacturer coupon. So that's why I know I only got $2.78 off for the Azo. So again, I paid $9.67 out of pocket, but you see here that I got back $7.50 from Ibotta for the vitamins. So that means I paid $2.17 out of pocket for the Azo and the 2 vitamins, and I'll get my $5 back from Ibotta. So that will, I mean, not Ibotta, I'm sorry, from coupons.com. So that will make this a money maker. Okay, guys, so this is everything we got. The 2 vitamins, the Azo, the paper towels, the 2 Chlorelin, the Penolin, and the Pine Sol. So make sure that you download Ibotta. Make sure you submit your receipt to coupons.com. Make sure you clip your digital. And thank you for watching. And until the next time, keep on saving.